do-it-yourself Dell here, maybe trying to give you a shot at my new smartwatch. It's rechargeable. It's got a special charger and magnetic, and as you can see, it doesn't come on except you can show it when you're looking at it. It comes on. It's got a whole bunch of different functions, but what I use it for mostly is just telling time. And now I'm going to open up our arm wedge here, and the first thing is our clock, and that's plugged in. It's got a plug-in feature into the wedge, so that and then also it's got a plug-in, another USB plug-in, and so that's our new things about the two clocks. And then there's a shoehorn in here should that become necessary. There's a flashlight, and of course some M&Ms just in case. And I think, has this got to do with the
I don't know what that is. That's a remote.
A remote of some sort, which unknown as to what that was connected with. Got another charging cable. Still another charging cable, and this one is both cables there. Some post-it things. Some of the hardware that came with the couch, came with the IKEA couch, and some phones. And let's see, and a pen. And so those are some of the things those are all of the things that are in here that the public can't see. And so, and then there's plenty of room in there for more, and in the case of the clock, and then this cover closes by itself. It's like some people's trunks are like that, or their doors or whatever, and this one will close by itself. So there it is, folks. There's and it's got the 2 cups for drinking your Donald Duck orange juice or whatever you have personal favorites are. And it's kind of neat. And you can sit on it. You can I put my feet up on it, but it's got several uses and it comes in handy. So do it yourself, Del. Hope you're having a great day and a great weekend and so forth. And we'll see you next time.
What's going on? I was trying out the time's falling.